Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Projection back again with the newest as we always promise. Today we brought for you Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and I'm so super excited about to show you what's this. This is 8 GB RAM, okay? This is Snapdragon American version, but this is not followed by any company, which is mean not TNT, not Verizon, not any shit, because I didn't want, I did mistake about my Note 9. I ordered a Snapdragon, but I ordered it from TNT. The software from inside, they entered them hands inside the software and this was upside down. This time I ordered it factory and looked. Guys, why I didn't order the European version? Because Snapdragon is a little bit more stronger than the European version, okay? Anyway, this is a purple color. I guess I'm gonna make for you, by the way, another video about comparison between him and the S9 Plus. He's better than S9 Plus. Let's unbox, let's not talk too much, and let's see things about this beast. Oh, come on out. Guys, I'm holding phone by one hand and I record by another hand. Oh, my baby. Oh, boo. Let's see. Guys, I was doubting about iPhone Max for just 5 seconds, I said, maybe I should try iPhone Max. But, oh my baby. Guys, when I'm, how super cute, Wow, they have a sensor, it's three sensors. Better than S9 Plus. See, it's 3 sensors, so this is much better option. Anyway, let me tell you something, guys. I was doubting about... I said to myself, should I try iPhone Max? I hold iPhone Max for my friend, and I said to myself, what a fucking silly phone. What a complicated. You cannot download something from Google. You cannot open Google. A lot of softwares, you cannot download them like SnapTube and a lot of this. So even music for iPhones with money. Fuck this iPhone Max, and who wants iPhone Max, to be honest with you guys. And I'm not scared from anyone in this world. Guys, I want to tell you something. Even the box for iPhone is a cheap box, There is this bitch blonde in YouTube, how she catch Note 9, she opened it by knife, She opened the box by knife. How unrespect and uneducated to do this. When she opened, because she's pimp and dog for iPhone, when she opened the box for iPhone, she was... oh, super exciting, how cool. When she do unbox about, because it looks like an Apple company's pay for her, When she was unboxing Note 9, she opened the box with knife. I don't know, she's pitch blonde. I don't know if stupid from where. I don't know where she's from exactly, American or German. Guys, I swear, just guys, look, don't listen to me. Listen, my mom is not the owner for Samsung and my father is not the Tom Hawk, okay? I'm telling you something. Look to the box, see, fast charge, smart this converter. You open, this is serial number, you open here, okay, you have the EKG speakers, okay, you have the earbuds, you have the USB, nice type of USB, okay, and even they care about you, they give you a spin, and wait, watch this is the middle, watch here, what is the things that make me... that I was want to cry when I receive it in post. Guys, what is this? They give me even cover. Are you kidding me? Guys, a nice kind, Nice kind of silicone, nice kind from inside. Guys, are you kidding me? They give me even cover. What you want, next Note 10 or Samsung S10 Plus, they're gonna lick your ass. There's nothing more than this that you will satisfy. And by the way, this is my new sexy watch. Okay, let's back again. By the way, I will have video. I will show you everything about this watch. It's super watch. Super exciting and so useful watch. Anyway, let's go to phone. Where are you, my baby? Where do you hide? What you want more than this? They give you... see what they give you. Everything. Even teeth for pen. And I open box for iPhone Max. Cheap charger as fuck. It's shame that company and phone cost $1,700. They put for you a cheap charger and the cable for the USB for iPhone Max is just giving 1.7 hertz and the iPhone can receive until 2.2 megahertz. So why do you not give nice USB? $1,700 I have to go buy nice charge. I have to go buy USB cable. Even the box for iPhone are cheap. Anyway, there's something I adore to make it. My baby, oh, you touch my tralala. Super duper sexy boy. Welcome, baby. Listen, let's guys, I don't want to waste your time because I know your time is expensive, you know. Sure, someone watched unboxing for Note 9, so he's lover for Note 9. So he's lover for me, so his time is expensive for me. Let me set up the things and back to you. 1 second. Okay, guys, I set up the setting. Oh, my baby. Oh, my... Oh, damn. Guys, screen. What the fuck? What you talking about iPhone? What you talking about any shit, you know? No Huawei, no Huawei, no Maui, no Xiaomi. This is the best I had. You know, this is better than Note 9. To be honest with you, I have Note 9 and he's better than Note 9. And I still not make screen. Wow, so beautiful camera. Guys, go shower. Who want iPhone? To be honest with you, go shower. Your smell reached me even here through phone. To be honest with you, damn, full goddamn option, you know, full. I don't know what to tell you. Listen, now I'm not gonna talk about the phone because I need to study it, you know. By the way, the Android here is better than the Android in my phone. He's Android, what's his name? I forget his name. Android after Oreo. Piro wala Pino. Anyway, it's so super sexy phone. Oh my god. By the way, let's try the pen. By the way, guys, what do you think about this cover? By the way, it's same color purple for the S9 Plus because my wife, she was challenging me. She said me, no, it's more pink than S9 Plus. I said for no, it's same color. And no, when we saw it on post, it's same color. Let's put out the bin. Come on, baby, come on. Your an iPhone cost $100 in this cheap company. Wait, you see, guys, this? Oh, this is super. When I put out and we do here. Can I type without, or this is I need to set up later? Can I type? I need to make setup for the pen that I can type on the screen without unlock it. This pen in iPhone, they give it for you for $100. There is nothing in iPhone for free. Guys, come on, you know, here I will show you something, okay? Let's say I'm stupid man, okay? Let's say I don't understand the technology, okay? Here I can enter here, this Google Play, download Samsung Music and enjoy my music, right? In iPhone, you want to download the setup is $6, you have to pay. Number one. Number two, now see, I can go here, Google, okay? I still not set up the accept and like this. Okay, I can enter here Google and I can enter snaptube.com and download this application that I adore, that I can download any music and convert it from YouTube. This is so beautiful application. No, on iPhone, when I enter to download SnapTube, he take me to Viber. I press snaptube.com, I press download, he take me to Viber page. What's this shame? To be honest, see, a lot of sensors, a lot of camera, the tab is so goddamn, and two speakers. Let's try speakers, by the way. Let's try to hear anything. Where is the YouTube? Let's go to YouTube. Let's open anything. What is it? What was that? Okay, let's see this. Oh, yeah, my baby, my baby. Guys, listen, I want to tell you something. I don't have any complaint about this phone. He's completely gorgeous and sexy. And I don't care about crash test, about anything. By the way, I saw a video, and this is official one, about crash test. To be honest with you, and this is, I trust this company, okay, that they make this video on YouTube. Note 9 and iPhone Max from first drop on screen, from 1.5 meters, they both broke. So don't show me that iPhone is in other videos that they are liars, that iPhone handled breaking, iPhone not handled. Listen, from the back side, not iPhone, to be honest with you, more strong than Note 9. But the screen, Note 9 is more stronger than iPhone, because Note 9 broke the second time. Second time for drop test for iPhone, screen didn't turn on anymore. So guys, this was my unboxing about the Note 9. By the way, this is, as I told you, this is 500 giga storage and 8 giga RAM, Snapdragon, and purple color. And now we will do another video with this sexy baby, how they are lovers together. Guys, do you think that this is work together as color or no? Or should I buy straps same color, or it's gonna be too gay, you know? It's gonna be too silly. So wait, what is this? Wow, this is kinda I don't know what to tell you guys. Goddamn sexy. By the way, it's gonna work. No. So the S Pen not work, and why? Should work. Extra Samsung, make it work, you know. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in another video. And for comparing with Note 9, I will not compare. I know he's better than Note 9. I'm just gonna show you the differences in what cameras and sound. What's make it different, and maybe I have some options in my Note S9 Plus is better than Note 9. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and see you again in another video with comparison. And please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or put thumbs down, as you wish. It's up to you. What, I'm gonna press on you to put thumbs up? Should I come to your home, beg you to put thumbs up? And peace and love for everyone. Wish to everyone happiness, and take my advice. I swear to God, don't buy an iPhone Max. Buy Note 9. Trust me. Why you have to complicate your life? Why you have to request for the most less? You know, I want to tell you something, guys. Sorry, you know. Let me tell you something. You know, to buy iPhone Max. Okay, you buy iPhone Max, okay, and now you want to do. You know, iPhone Max is like what? Now I can itch my ears like this with Samsung, right? Let's say look. How is more easy, to itch your ears like this, or to itch your ears like this? Like this, more stupid and more hard, right? Right. This is the way how it's iPhone Max. iPhone Max, to reach something through iPhone Max, you have to suffer. Go see application that may work with money and like this. But with Samsung, you can so easy reach and itch and do whatever you want. I hope you understand this point. I hope, guys, you understand what I mean. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye-bye, and peace and love, and please follow my videos and see you more and more.